1,002. 1,003.
Pause a second. Pause a second. Start over. Start over.
All right, ready?
Go.
1,001. 1,002. 1,003. 1,004. Don't quit, man. Don't quit. 1,005.
Whoa! Troy!
Tasso!
We're live! We're live!
Whoa, we're going!
Troy, have you got the right chocolate cup on today? Troy?
I'm ready, Tasso. I'm ready.
Do you have the right chocolate cut on?
No.
What color do you have on?
Now I do.
Oh, okay. Hey, welcome to Live on Friday with the 55 days, where it's Troy and Tasso, where we have TNT, where results are explosive.
Explosive.
Chocolate change. Black hat. Is there a black hat in the chocolates?
Hey, Tasso. Mine all look
Right.
the same because they're black on the back.
Black attack. Okay, I'm glad I went them girly man, you know? You see these two? Girly man, I tell you. Hans and Franz. Ha! Girly man. That's all they were. That's all they were. Medic!
Man.
Medic!
Man.
I just looked at my shoulder. Medic! Hurry! I did too many reps. Okay, I'm back, Troy. There's an extremely tough situation here. So, Troy, you see this, Troy?
That's a lot of fat, Tasso. A lot of
That's a lot
fat.
of fat. A lot of people lost a lot of fat during these 55 days. We're so proud of you because you did so good. We took it, smacked it, and got rid of the fat. Because you know where it's at? TNT. Where our results are explosive. Change chakra hats. Red chakra hat. You know, Troy, it's true. If you broaden your shoulders, your belly slims. Huh?
This is true. Still
True.
alive.
Troy, you know what people, when they lost that fat, you know what they gained, Troy? Steak. Beefcakes like my friend Billy, right?
Billy.
My friend Billy, he has lots of steak on him with the beefcake, eh? That's our boy. Muscle, that's what people put on. Metabolism got better. They balanced it. They got rid of maladaptations. Who told us that word? Uncle Philly! Uncle Philly, is Uncle Philly gonna be here today? Medic! My shoulder! Is Uncle Philly here?
He's here.
All right, Uncle Philly. We're going to be with Uncle Philly today at 4 o'clock with all the trainers for the wrap-up. I'm so excited because you know what? This is Troy and Tasso, TNT, where results are
Explosive!
Hey, talk about explosive, Troy. Did you have your green drink this morning?
I did. It's delicious.
Okay. You know what it's time for? Change the chakra cap. We're going to the white chakra cap. Was there a white chakra cap? I can't remember.
I'm
I'm
on
sweating.
now.
All right. So, Troy, I want to talk seriously for a minute. You know, the one thing these coaches, these great coaches did is they brought people encouragement and hope. And you know that encouragement is the engine of hope so that hope can see the future. And we're so happy to have done this for everybody. So I want to remind everybody, there are a lot of winners out there, right, Troy?
That's right. Winners.
And they came to us in the 55 days to TNT for Troy and Tasso, where results are You got your gold?
I'm with you.
No,
Hey,
wait,
your
okay.
shoulders down.
Do what?
Woo! Keep going.
Okay. Did we say everything we're gonna say?
I've said everything I want to say, but
Troy. Hey, Troy. Let's give them the mall ass look, eh? You didn't say anything about my stripper pants.
I love your stripper pants. They're awesome.
Well, you know, I couldn't get on MTV like you did, so I had to pull out the stripper pants, but I didn't make the Chip and Dale team. Troy, let's one last time. Who are we? Troy and Tasso with TNT, where results are explosive.
Explosive!
All right, one more check. I have change. Green. Oh, wait, I like purple. So, Troy,
Yes, sir.
I want to thank you, my friend. And I want to leave everybody with one thought. Well, two thoughts. We'll see you at 4 o'clock on the wrap up today.
With
John Maxwell says that there's hope in the future. Power is in the present. And the reason is simple, because when you have hope in the future, there's a dramatic opportunity and power and impact on your thinking today. And your thinking today will influence the results that you get and will affect your attitude. And as we all know from Zig Ziglar, your attitude will predict your altitude. So God bless. Have a great Friday. And just remember one thing, right, Troy? Troy and Tasso for fun and laughter. We hope we brought that to you, where results are explosive.
explosive.